हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका चैनल KWT टॉक्स में। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं स्टॉक विच इज वन ऑफ द लीडिंग सेरेमिक कंपनी इन द इंडिया। स्टॉक का नाम है एशियन ग्रेनिटो। ऑन 20th मार्च कंपनी ने रणबीर कपूर को कंपनी का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर अनाउंस किया है। एज यू सी इन द स्क्रीन, कंपनी डू बिजनेस इन द लार्ज स्लैब, टाइल्स, मार्बल्स, बाथवेयर। अंडर टाइल्स कंपनी हैज अ डिफरेंट टाइल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लोर टाइल्स, वॉल टाइल्स, आउटडोर पार्किंग टाइल्स। मार्बल सेक्शन में भी अच्छी वैरायटी है एंड सेम इज फॉर द बाथवेयर सेक्शन। कंपनी ऑलमोस्ट 100+ कंट्रीज में एक्सपोर्ट करती है। 14 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट्स हैं, 1400 टच पॉइंट्स हैं इंक्लूडिंग डीलर्स एंड सब डीलर। कंपनी के पास 235 शोरूम्स हैं एंड दीज आर द डिफरेंट प्लांट्स कंपनी हैविंग इन द वेरियस लोकेशंस लाइक मोरबी, डालपुर, मेहसाना। ऑल मेजर प्लांट्स इज इन लोकेटेड इन द गुजरात एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट एवर इंडियन कंपनी which launched the largest showroom in the Johannesburg, South Africa. This is a company map which shows company's footprint across 100+ countries, right? You can see in the screen. Let's see the financials on the screener. Company एक small cap है with cap of 100 crores. Current price of the company is at 79.7 which is well below the book value of 98.1. Rest of the company parameters इतने अच्छे नहीं है as company is in a reviving stage. Company last 2 quarters से काफी अच्छा कर रही है. See in the March 2023 the company profit was in negative. Now in the March 2024 company profits are in good shape. Same is for the June 2023. Company profit was 9 crores and now the company has posted a 16 crores profit, right? Which is very. Company के fixed assets भी gradually increase कर रहे हैं and company is having a highest ever fixed assets at the moment which is 783. Promoter shareholding since March 2022 till today it's intact, right? Which is 29.02%, whereas FIIs has started to show their interest in the company also, right? You can say in the company shareholding pattern. Let's see the company chart on the trading view. Company ने Jan 2018 में approx 400 का lifetime high बनाया था. Since then company is in a downfall like this. Now stock price is available at 80% discount. और यहाँ पर company ने एक nice falling wedge pattern form किया है like this, and also it forms a double bottom which confirms the bottom has been formed now for this company. So we can visualize like this was company is in a downfall till here and now the company has started a sideways movement and soon we can expect a upward movement for this company also. Let's take a closer look of this chart. This was a double bottom or you can say a support line of this stock and that's the first resistance line company is facing at the moment, and on the chart right you can see it's forming a nice cup with handle pattern. Let's take the depth of this cup, put it on the resistance value and showing approximate gain of 56%. And interesting thing is on the chart is that these huge green candles, right, which indicates strong hand interest. Overall with these huge candles and the forming a nice cup with handle pattern, this stock can be double from here, so keep under watch. This is just an observation for the education purpose, not a recommendations to buy or sell. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you.